we had a pretty slow week on the economic data front. There was very little economic reports coming out this week, except for this morning when we had retail sales, which was up 0.3% when the expectation was for it to be down 0.3% for February. Remember the weather we had? Everybody expected that weather to be very detrimental to retail sales. Though they even were better than that when you take out the autos, retail sales were up 0.8%. So the autos held it back in February, probably because of the weather. The real question everybody has to ask themselves, and what traders and investors are asking themselves, is the economic recovery still in place, and is it sustainable? That's the big question everybody has not answered yet. The market has gotten stronger this week, but it's struggling, just struggling. The NASDAQ has broken through an old resistance of its old high made recently back in January, but the S&P 500 and the Dow have not. But it has a struggle up, it's not a struggle down. I think we have too many doom and gloomers out there. And actually, that's pretty good for the market. The more people are negative, that means that that money is sitting on the sidelines, and we know that that's true by the amount of money in money market funds and savings account making virtually zero interest rate. Also, if you look at corporate balance sheets, they're well over $1 trillion. They're going to start spending that money, and we've seen some evidence of that in some merger and acquisition activity, had some this week, and stock buybacks. But there was also a study out this week that said that IT, information technology spending for corporations, is going to be up about 8% next year. I think it was 6%. It was down 8% last year, up 6% this year. That also bodes well for tech stocks. So frankly, I don't feel that negative or that gloomy about the future. I don't feel all that positive, but I do think the stock market is probably going to struggle higher for most of this year. It's just going to be a struggle.
The Invest Talk Update is a monthly briefing that gives you a snapshot of the past month's market, along with other useful perspective and information. You'll see important articles like Protecting Your Investments Against Scam Artists, excerpts from Steve's book, links to the month's Invest Talk talking points, plus news of upcoming Invest Talk events in your area. And it comes free each month to your email box. To get your subscription, just go to investtalk.com and click on the icon at the top of the page.